Good morning, children. Lesson 3 Keyboard. Our today's topic is we will learn about caps lock key, num lock key, and shift key. So, see the video for this.
Children, you can see the computer keyboard layout here. You can see the caps lock key here. This is the caps lock key. When the caps lock key is on, all the alphabets that are typed appear in capitals on the monitor. If you press the caps lock key, you can see the green light here. See here. If you press the caps lock key, then you can see the green light here. If you again press the caps lock key, means caps lock key is off, you cannot see the green light here. If caps lock key is on, then only you can see the green light here. So, when the caps lock key is on, all the alphabets that are typed appear in the capital on the monitor. For example, if you want to type the word mouse, and if you press the caps lock key is on, see here, I press the caps lock key is on now, and then I write the spelling of mouse, M-O-U-S-E. So it will appear as a capital M, capital O, capital U, capital S and capital E on the monitor. Then if I press the caps lock key again, means caps lock key is off now. The alphabets that are typed appear in the lowercase. Now see what are the changes. I type again M-O-U-S-E. So you can see the spelling of mouse is appeared in the lowercase on the monitor. So if you press the caps lock key and caps lock key is on, then you can see the spelling of the mouse is capital. And if you press the caps lock key again, and if caps lock key is off, the spelling of mouse you can see is in the lowercase on the monitor. Like this, you can use the caps lock key. Then num lock key. Here you can see this is known as num lock key. This is num lock key. And this is the numeric keypad. You can see the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard. You use this to type the number keys. See here. Again, like the caps lock key, if you press num lock key, the green light appears in the num lock option. So, if num lock key is on, then you can see the green light here. If num lock key is off, you cannot see the green light. So, to use this keypad, the num lock key should be on. If you want to use this keypad appear on the right side of your keyboard, if I want to write here numbers with the help of this keypad, so I press the num lock key, and if num lock key is on, then only I can write the numbers. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I press the num lock key again, and if num lock key is off, means I cannot see this green light, and if num lock key is off, I cannot write. If I press the 7 button, see here what are the changes. I cannot write anything. 7, 8, 9 I press, but I cannot write the numbers with the help of this keypad. So if I want to write the numbers with the help of this keypad, the num lock key should be on. Now again I press the num lock key, and see now 7, 8, 9 I can use this keypad if I press the num lock key and if it is on. Then third is shift key. See here. The shift key is used along with other keys. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. See here, this is one shift key and this is second shift key. There are two shift keys on the keyboard and both of them have the same function. Look at the keyboard. Look at the keyboard here. When you want to type the upper symbol on any of the colored keys, if you want to type the upper symbols, means here are the number and here there are the many symbols. So if you want to type these upper symbols, this also brackets, curly brackets, square brackets, then colon, semicolon, single inverted comma, double inverted comma, then this full stop, comma, this all the symbols, question marks. If you want to type the upper symbols on any of the colored keys, use the shift key first. So for example, if you want to type the symbol star, first press the shift key along with the keys that has this symbol. So press the shift key and then press the 8 number key. So you can see the star here. The shift key also helps you to type the alphabets in uppercase or lowercase. For example, when the caps lock key is off, press the shift key with the alphabet key P to type P in the capital. And when the caps lock key is on, press the shift key with the alphabet key P to type P is small. Usually the caps lock key is used to type the entire word or sentence in the capital. When you need to type only a few letters in a word or a sentence in capital, use the shift key. So this is how we can use the caps lock key, num lock key and shift key. So children, practice it.